sorry for dragging you into this.
Nothing can escape my silver bullets.
Did you see what she was wearing? Horrendous.
I'm taking you all down with me.
Ghosts aren't real. They're just stories made up to scare children.
Big smiles. Come on and say cheese.
Hi, I'm Danny, co-founder of Yang Yang Mobile. We're really excited to share with you The Letter, an interactive visual novel game inspired by our love of Asian horror. The story starts when Isabella Santos finds a letter inside an old mansion being listed for sale by her real estate company. You'll get to play 6 characters including Isabella, a real estate agent, Rebecca, a high school teacher, Ashton, a private investigator, Zachary, an aspiring professional photographer, and the right couple, Luke and Hannah, who are interested in the mansion. The characters' fate, as well as their relationships, are delicately intertwined with one another. Each choice you make directly affects the outcome, and it's up to you who will live or who will die. To add more interactive elements, we also included QuickTime events throughout the whole game. There are about 12 to 15 QuickTime events with varying mechanics, all depending on the scenario. What we're aiming to accomplish is this huge, high-quality visual novel filled with animated sprites, backgrounds, and PGs with more than 15 possible endings. All of these are yours to explore. The Letter will be our first big game, and we're really putting all our time and effort into it. We hope that you'll join and aid us in bringing these characters and their story to life. Thank you so much!